Hello, I've returned with another ADH Wealth solution. Today, we will begin to discuss fulfilling all of your financial needs. As always, this is a basic description. For an evaluation of your own, please schedule an appointment. My information is in the description. Lastly, make sure you hit the like, drop a comment, and if you're new, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content.
Yo, 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 yo. It's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall. And I've returned to weapon tap on your head with another ADH Wealth Solutions article. Today, we're looking at shopping for life insurance. There's 9 questions you should ask. Before we go in, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, you can contribute to channel growth by donating. My information is in the description. You can schedule a one-on-one appointment with a licensed financial professional or purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with no medical exam and an instant decision. The links are in the description. So as we proceed to give you what you need, let's take a look here. Shopping for a life insurance policy is a big decision and deserves plenty of consideration. There are several important questions you should ask yourself. 1. Why do I need life insurance? Your response to this question will influence how large of a life insurance policy you'll need, as well as how you answer many of the remaining questions. Asked another way, what will be the primary purpose of your life insurance policy? The answer here is often multifaceted and depends on if you're married and if you have children. Here are a few common reasons people purchase the death benefit protection of life insurance. 1. Protecting family income, leaving a legacy to children or grandchildren, donating to a charity, paying for a burial, paying off a mortgage or other large debts, paying for a child's college education, planning for a special needs situation. So question 2 is, how much coverage do I need? This is another potentially complex answer, and one that will dictate your options to some extent. Think about it this way. If you pass away, how much money will your family need to fulfill immediate obligations? That's things like uncovered medical expenses, funeral and estate settling costs, outstanding debts, and then, in addition, any ongoing income to maintain their lifestyle and cash flow. One of the easiest ways to estimate how much life insurance you'll need is to use an online calculator. You can actually go to www.lifehappens.org, which is a not-for-profit. It's not affiliated with any company. And you'll be asked to consider your current salary and savings, all of your final expenses, plus several factors like inflation. But you also may want to think about non-monetary contributions like childcare or house cleaning that may need to be added if you were gone. Question 3, what type of life insurance should I buy? Term and permanent are the 2 main categories of life insurance, and they each have their advantages. A term policy offers protection for a specific period of time and provides a death benefit for your surviving family. Permanent insurance, which includes whole life and universal insurance policies, is for life. It provides a death benefit for as long as you pay the premium, but also may include cash value that can be accessed during the insured person's lifetime. While a permanent policy is typically more expensive, it can be the wiser long-term option. Another consideration, the role of your life insurance may change over time, so you may wish to consider a mix of both types of protection. 4. How long will I need the policy? This may be the toughest of the big question. No one knows when he or she is going to die, of course, and that is a good reason to at least consider a permanent policy. While many people only think about life insurance to replace lost salary if they die during their working years, coverage during retirement can be critical for your surviving family. Life expectancy and retirement aside, if you're purchasing a life insurance policy to protect a specific interest, such as a business loan or a mortgage, you may also need to think about the potential duration of that need when considering your options. Question 5. How long do I want to pay premiums? Paying for life insurance during retirement may not be an appealing prospect. While term policy payments end if you decide to not renew your coverage after the term ends, many permanent life insurance products also offer shorter term payment periods. Once the policy is paid up, you won't have any more premiums due. So be sure to explore your options. Yes, most people don't know you can actually pay for a whole life or a permanent life policy for the same amount of time that you pay for a term life policy. For example, I have a client who has an indexed universal life policy, but he's only paying it for 10 years, but it's going to continue after that 10 years until the day he dies. Well, I need flexibility for my premiums. Many life insurance policies require steady, monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, or annual payments. And if you earn a stable salary, that shouldn't be a problem. But if you own a business or work on commission, it may be helpful to have the flexibility built into your premium payments to accommodate for varying levels of cash flow. Some policies allow you to pay a larger portion of your premium at a time that works for you, as long as there is sufficient value in the contract to cover the monthly insurance charges. Make sure to consider a policy that has a payment structure that works for you. Will I need other kinds of flexibility? Changes to your financial needs are difficult to anticipate, but remember that life is unpredictable. Plan accordingly and consider a life insurance policy that provides flexibility. For example, cash value from a permanent policy can be used for purposes other than the original intent of the insurance. Also, many term policies can be converted to a permanent policy over time, and some policies provide the option to increase insurance without a medical exam. Question 8. Will I need cash value? The good news is that many people who purchase a term policy don't end up using it. The bad news is that they get nothing after the policy is up. In contrast, many permanent life insurance policies allow you to borrow against your cash value while you're alive, with some tax advantages, or the option to walk away from the policy totally and take what's called the cash surrender value if you no longer need the insurance coverage. Cash value could supplement your retirement income, help with your child's education funding, or simply be available for an emergency. You can also use the cash value in your life insurance policy as a down payment for a house. The choice is yours, but be advised that taking cash from your policy will reduce your death benefit coverage. Number 9, who is protecting my family? A life insurance policy is a long-term commitment, and it's important to do your business with a reliable company. So do some research before making your decision. One way to compare companies is to look at their financial strength ratings. Answering the questions in this article is the first step to ensuring that you get an insurance policy that fits your needs. Of course, after really thinking about life insurance and how it can help your family, you probably have some questions of your own. The next step is to talk to a licensed financial professional who can help you answer those additional questions and discuss your options. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the article for today. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth, you can donate. You can schedule a one-on-one appointment with a licensed financial professional, and you can purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with no medical exam and an instant decision. The links are in the description. With that being said, wipe ass. Work in progress every day and see success. Wipe ass. Work in progress every day and see success. Wipe ass. Work in progress every day and see success. And remember, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute.
Interested in having an evaluation? Find my contact info in the description and schedule a consult to explore your options. Have a financial question but don't know who to ask? email me at a.hall@cgwealth.financial, and your question may be answered in my next video. Security products are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of principal. Before investing, carefully consider the investment objectives, risks, limitations, charges, and expenses of the product and any underlying investment options. This information can be found in the product and investment option prospectuses. Copies are available from your registered representative.